I'd like to introduce you guys to Nerf's ugly cousin. Nerf is like the girl, the cute girl at school that gets all the guys, and you know, she walks the walk and talks the talk. Nerf's ugly cousin, Busby, is like the girl who gets a boyfriend because I don't know. I don't want to be demeaning or anything, but let's just get on to the review, because this isn't about women, it's about guns. I'm going to review Busby's Air Blaster Clip Tech, which is this gun here, and Busby's Air Blaster's Hunter. Just like Rick Hunter from Robotech, or Hunter from that 80s TV show. The bald guy would say works for me. Alright, so let's do the Clip Tech, since this is the first one I bought. I got this at Amazing Savings for about 10 bucks. It has a button down here so you can release the clip. And contrary to Nerf, each foam dart comes with a plastic casing. I mean with the Clip Tech. And you're supposed to put them in here. You know, like load the clip. Looks sturdy enough. I don't know why they put a sticker of like clips. It's supposed to be like see-through. I don't know. Why is that there? But it's an alright system. It looks pretty cool, but the execution is kinda off, as you'll see when I review this. The way the gun works is this cocking mechanism. As you can see, when you fire the dart, this empty orange case ejects out of here. There you go. So it's basically like Nerf's cocking guns. These little buttons here that look like safeties don't work. Alright, so let's lock and load. You insert the clip into the gun. There you go. Cock this. And you load one shell. There. Now's the time where I use my editing skills. Here's the gun in the shot. It's already cocked. Let's go. Huh? Whoa! The trigger was kind of hard, so I wasn't expecting it to come out. Let's try again. As you'll notice, the shell casing should eject. What? It jammed. Maybe because I had the gun wrong. I had it like this. If I would have kept it like this, it would have came out normally. And there went the casing. Casing out. And to end this part of the review, the gun design is alright. My brother said it looked like something out of like Warhammer, like with a big ogre and a gun. But the colors combined with the shoddy design, as you saw, I mean the dart stuck. I was surprised by that, but like the jamming of the clips and the casings, that's kind of annoying. So, but I'm glad I got this for 10 bucks. I got one for my nephew. He's enjoying it. So that's it. That's my review of Busby's Clip Tech. And yes, that is the name of the gun, Clip Tech. Up next is this one. This is the Hunter. Makes me feel like Flint, like, yo, Joe. It's like a little Western gun. It's bolt action, as you can see. It's nice. I like it. I really like it. Looks like it's not a sawed-off shotgun, but it's the size. It's like a little rifle. So the way that this works, this has a better engineering in mind. In the stock, you can put your extra darts or all of your darts, and you also have two gaps here where you could put your foam darts. You know, when you need ammo. So the way that this works, bring this up, this back, forward. Da, 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 da. Reminds me of the Red Rider. Da, 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 da. From A Christmas Story. Alright, so let's load this little girl. So bring this open. You have the chamber here. Inside here, it looks like one of these. Like one of these things. It has this little pointy part to hold the dart. So when you put the dart in there, it sticks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the dart is in here. So then when you go like that, you load it in. Alright, so here we have it. It's locked and loaded. I don't know why it's hard to put the stock here, but hey. Load. That's one thing about the Busby darts that I don't like. They're not very good at sticking. Da, 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 da. Alright, so let's take some from the Clip Tech. And in a fight, it's going to take a while for you to load. So while you're loading, you're getting your butt handed to you. Let me try this cut up dart. Maybe it'll still work for something. Whoa. It'll work for getting jammed. Alright. Let's not do that again. Alright, so as you can see, it's a reliable shooter. Except for that broken dart, there's no problems with loading or jamming. It's small. It resembles a real world gun, which is always a plus. And I don't know, I think this is more fun than this. I would say I got this at a store called National Wholesale Liquidators for about $9.99, which is the same price as this. They had other Busby guns, but my new catchphrase is I'm a design guy. I like things that look good, you know, like girls and cars and guns and robots. So this looks, to me, this is more appealing than this. Both of these guns are going to go into storage as soon as possible, but I'm going to see if whenever I can I get my nephew another one of these. At National Wholesale Liquidators, they had a lot of different Busby guns, but this is the one, the design that stood out the most to me. So that's it for this review of Busby's Air Blasters Hunter and Busby's Air Blaster Clip Tech. See ya later.